After coming from the field, we brought our plankton samples and benthic samples. So you have two types of microscopes, the dissecting microscope and the compound microscope. So the first thing you do is you look for the organisms using a dissecting microscope. So unfortunately the other microscope is not available, but you scan through. The benthic samples have a lot of rotting vegetation. They have a lot of rotting vegetation which are not very clearly visible. The animals, the macroorganisms, which I could not see with the naked eye, I can't see them. So from here, you put under the compound microscope to check, because the magnification here is higher than this. This is 10 times. This is only 10 times 10. So it does not show. The organisms that we got from the plankton sample is mainly Plasmodium. We could see them moving. Now, unfortunately, you cannot see. Plus whirligig insects, which are at the surface of water, but can also be underwater. Like in this case, there is one, but it is not, it has refused to come to the top. So when you do this, you identify the organisms. We have identification key book for all organisms, including the insects, which we collected using that net. So all of them, we have a key, you identify and you quantify. So once you have done that is when you will have completed the research. You can say the type of plankton in water is Plasmodium. The benthic organisms is which specific one. The insects that you find in that thick grass is which type of insect. Then you can compare that with another swamp vegetation. Or you go to the edge of a lake where you have the littoral zone, where you have the swamp type of vegetation. So that is when you will have finished your field work. So it's not just going to the field, sampling and not completing the entire practical. That is when you will have completed your practical. So that is the end of our demonstration today.